Hello guys, how are you? This is your teacher Haris Bhatt and you are seeing my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. Today, after a long time, I am going to basically inform you, I would rather congratulate you for your result on for the result of October-November 2024. Unfortunately, the grade threshold was not that high again. And as I discussed with you, that accounting में result क्यों नहीं आता? So this is a big question mark. So I will discuss something about this. And after 2 days, I am going to launch the guess of February-March 2025 for IGCSE 0452 and for AS for 2025 February-March, paper 2, paper 3 for A levels accounting and paper 4. So inshallah ta'ala, I will upload my guess for IGCSE 0452 and AS paper 2 9706 variant 22 right for February March for my students in India after 2 days inshallah ta'ala, right? Hopefully, because this is the first time that I'm going to give guess for February March, and that is on your request from all over, not from all over the world, rather from my students who are in India. So I would thank you that you have approached me for the guess, and inshallah ta'ala within 2 days I'm going to launch the guess for you. Just wait for 2 days and inshallah ta'ala hopefully it will come in the paper also. So accounting mein result kyun nahi aata? Basically, as I discussed with you, you are cheating yourself, and unfortunately we are cheating you also. We are not teaching you, we are cheating you. Why? Because problem is this, that I have given you a guess, that guess will come in the paper, but because you have not done all the past papers of that particular topic, you are not able to perform in the exams. For example, depreciation is a topic which comes in AS. It is a topic which comes in A2 in schedule of non-current asset. It is a topic which comes in CA inter. It is a topic which comes in CA final paper. So it is the complexity of the paper which basically matters, that how many complex questions you need to do for your AS exams regarding depreciation, for your A2 exams regarding depreciation, and same is the case, the level of complexity should go up. But unfortunately, you used to do 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 questions of depreciation, and that's the result, that the grade threshold is decreasing and you are going away from accounting. You don't want to take up accounting anymore because you feel that it is a difficult subject, which is not true at all. Because the teachers and the students, they are not going through all the past papers from every topic, and that has made a mess for your result. So this is the basic question mark. There is no course in accounting. There is no course in accounting. One particular chapter is going to examine in AS, A2, same chapter, O level, CA, CA inter, ACCA. It is the complexity which basically matters, that to which extent you need to cover that chapter, that matters. Inshallah, we'll discuss it in the next lecture. So if you see the grade threshold, and I will give you the guess also. If you see the grade threshold, let's talk about it. This is the grade threshold for A levels, and for variant October-November 2024, variant 1 out of 30, the marks for A is 22. For variant 1-2, it is 24. Why? Because I have solved this variant of MCQs paper, and if you see that it is an easy paper. So that's why the grade threshold was a little high. There was not even a single question which I feel that it is a little bit creating a difficulty at the student level. Then it is 23. Then out of paper 2, for 21 variant, it is 54 out of 90. Then 55 out of 90 and 55 out of 90. That is because that almost the same level of complexity was there. This time, I am telling you that question of errors can be examined with company, even with partnership, or even with sole trader. So company with errors is also coming in the exams now. It has come in the May-June exam, and it has also came in October-November 24, variant 23. So if you talk about the grade threshold, it is almost 60%. Rather, previously it was 62. It has decreased by almost 7 marks, right? So it's not that difficult, although the paper was quite normal. I don't say that paper AS paper 2 was very difficult. It was not like that. If we talk about 3-1, 3-2, 3-3, out of 75, the grade threshold for 3-1 is 40, then 42 and 42, it is still less than 60%. 45 becomes 60% of 75. Why? Because of partnership changes. I told you that profit and loss sharing arrangement question has been asked in May, June 11 and May, June 13, and after that it has been examined in October, November 2024, almost after 12 years. So this is the problem you are facing, that you are not going through past papers and you have to face the music because of that. So go for the past papers and see that what question is going to come. Some of the teachers will definitely say you, no, Sir Haris is wrong, because profit and loss sharing arrangement has examined in 2016 also. No, not at all. It was basically for AS, and the complexity of the question of AS is much below than A2. So that particular complex question has come only in 2011 and 2013, and that's why the grade threshold has gone down to 42 and 40. 41, 42, 43, 50 out of 36, 34 and 50 out of 34, that is quite fine. And it is little high because there was easy questions of investment appraisal, standard costing and ABC. If we talk about IGCSE, or if we talk about October-November variant of O levels, the MCQs paper out of 35, you need 22 to get A, which is almost 60%. And again for 22 and 23, 61 is going to be the A out of 100. It was 58 for variant 2 in May, June, and it was 42 A for the variant 2-1 in the May, June. But now for both variants 2-2 and 2-3, it was 61. And if you just see the difference between B and A, it is going to be how much? 44, 61 minus 44 becomes 17. If you add 17 into 61, 17 into 61, it becomes 78. So it means that you need to get 78 almost out of 100 to get an A star, because the difference between B and A will be added in A to get an A star. This is how the whole things work for each and every subject, right? So this is the thing which I want you to share with. Now inshallah ta'ala, after 2 days, I will be I'm going to hand over the guest to you for my all Indian students, because February March variant used to come in India. So inshallah ta'ala, wait for me, but do share the paper with me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.